Okay, I wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of 88 Moaniala Place here on Hawaii Loa Ridge. Here's the master suite with a generous master bathroom, dual vanity sinks, big walk-in closet, separate shower stall, as well as a nice sunken jacuzzi hot tub. As we walk into the main living area, you got a nice guest bath here off the hallway, nice artwork display, and here's a great room with a living room, kitchen, and dining. Aloha, David Buck here with Harcourts Island Properties. Really excited to show you this auction listing that we have, bid to start 1.5 million. First auction listing for Harcourts Auctions here in Honolulu. And we're really excited about it and would love to have you come by. We're having brokers open today, open house Sunday 2 to 5 p.m. And then we're going to be having another brokers open next week, Wednesday from 9:30 to 11:30. And the auction itself will be taking place on March 9th. So feel free to give me a call, 808-371-3509 if you have any questions. Otherwise, look forward to hearing from you and see you on auction day. Aloha.